General maintenance. Dr. Robert Cassar, eartheracademy.com. This tip of the day is just to go ahead and, well, let you hear a little bit of maintenance, general maintenance, on, well, maybe the parable that I want to show you. We just picked about 75,000 pounds of these fruit called lychee. And these trees, of course, are a living entity, and they bear fruit, which of course they're called gonads. So it's a pretty intimate relationship to be able to, well, eat the fruit of thy womb, of the tree. So we're doing general maintenance right now because this is exactly what you have to do with your body too. Look, if we just let these trees grow wild, they'll grow 30 feet tall and you won't be able to get the lychee out of them. But we've just cut down all the branches here that we're pruning the trees. And pruning the trees just means, as you can hear the guys, you prune the trees right after they fruit. If not, if you prune them too late, they won't fruit the next year. So what we're doing is we're maintaining these trees, and these trees are about 15 years old, and they are called the Caimana lychee species. But just to let you see, in order to be able to do general maintenance, okay, you have to understand that everything needs general maintenance. Your car needs general maintenance. Your house needs general maintenance. How about this machine? It also needs general maintenance every day. So I just wanted you to just go ahead and just put this into your head. General maintenance is, of course, done everywhere and on everything. Okay? As long as it's in domestication. And these trees are in domestication. If not, they'll just do what they want to do. But we are being the creators of form. These are form, and we're creating their form. And the next year, they will go ahead and give us the beautiful fruit, the abundance that they do. I have to fertilize these trees. Remember, that's maintenance. We have to make sure that not, well, any parasites and fungi and all different things, just like the body. Once the body gets filled full of parasites, it doesn't have enough minerals, these trees will only produce fruit if you feed them, okay? And I'm talking really produce fruit. Yeah, they'll produce fruit if you just feed them a little bit, but you got to go ahead and feed your body consistently every day. And these trees here, they get consistently maintained, fed, specific types of nutrients, just like our bodies need specific types of nutrients. So this is a 15-acre orchard here, and we have another 30-acre orchard, so we got a lot of children here to service. And so you can see this tree coming up here. This one here looks a little sick compared to this one here. So we're going to have to see what's going on with this tree. But just like the rest of the trees, these are just like humans, just like people or anything else. Some of the trees are bigger, some of the trees are sicker. Okay, so you got to do general maintenance every day. So follow the Earther Academy protocols, practices, and principles called terrain modification. And we've got a retreat up right now, 21 days. People, we've got about 10 people, and they're on their, well, it's July 4th. Happy July 4th. They're on their 4th day of water fasting. Miracles are already starting to see. So watch our intermittent and block fasting categories at Earther Academy, because there's lots of things that you can learn, okay, to be able to help maintain you, which of course is just general maintenance. And you can go up and above general maintenance and you can do what I do. I do advanced, okay, maintenance. And that's a whole different story. So anyways, guys, we'll see you on the next video. Keep on taking care of yourselves a little bit at a day. That's all it takes. Remember, these orchards are huge. All we can do is do the same thing. Take care of them a little at a time. Okay, we'll see you. And let's just walk through here. Look, got to cut the lawn, general maintenance. If not, weeds, they grow. Everything takes over. So we are domesticated. Okay, so are these trees, and everything that's domesticated, again, needs to be maintained and serviced. Okay, there we go. Aloha, and it's a beautiful day today. That's it. We'll see you on the next video. Okay.